Hello. Level 1, Unit 10. You ready for this last unit? I hope you are doing well. This is Mr. John, and let's get started. So here we're gonna talk about farm, animals in the farm, okay? So let's see. Here we go. The first part here, as you see here, we have what? What we call it? A donkey, donkey. Number two is a bird, is a bird. Number three is a what? Sheep, sheep. Number four is chicken, chicken. Nice, that's doing well. Now here what we have? Here we have mouse, mouse. And here we have something that I really like is horse, horse. Seven is goat, goat. And not eight is cow. What is it? Not cow. No, it's cow. Okay, guys? Cow. That's good. Now let's see what our animals can we see here together. Number one is a bird. Number two is, where is that? Number two. Oh, a horse. Nice. Number three is, three is a donkey. The donkey. Four is cow. Cow. That's good. Next, five is sheep. Sheep. Six is chicken. 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 Seven is what, guys? Goat. Goat. And eight, last is mouse. Mouse. That's good. Okay. Now let's go next part and see what we get there. Now it's a sheep. It's got one, two, three, four legs. Nice. Now it's a chicken. It's got two legs. That's good. Okay. Number three, it's a what? It's a bird. It's got two legs. Nice. Now it's a mouse. It's got two, three, four. Four legs. That's good. And my favorite is it's a horse. Nice. It's got two, no, three, no, four. Yes, four legs. That's good. Now let's see what we got here. Now, do you like goats? Number one, do you like goats? B, where is B? B, yes. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Do you like burger? Yes, I do. Do you like spaghetti? No, I don't. Okay, as you wish. Now, do you like cows? Cows? No. Do you like cows? No, I don't. No, I don't. Do you like horses? Do you like horses? Horse, horse? Yes. Yes. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like sheep? Sheep, sheep, sheep? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like birds? Birds? No, I don't. No, I don't. Do you like donkeys? Donkeys? Yes. No, I don't. No, I don't. Let's go next page. Now let's see this farm animal. Wow. Are they birds? Number one. Are they birds? Yes, they are. Now good. Two. Two. Okay, these two. Are they donkeys? Are they donkeys? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Okay. Are they mice? Mice. Mice, mice, mice. Three. No. No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Are they cows? Are they cows? Four, 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 four. Are they cows? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Are they horses? 5. These are horses? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Are they chicken? Are they chicken? Let's see. Are they chicken? Chicken, chicken, chicken. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. That's good. Now, let's see. Now, ask a question. You ask me a question. Are they cows? Yes, they are. Now here, are they horses? Are they horses? No, they are not horses. They are donkeys. No, they aren't. Okay. Are they chicken? No, no, they aren't. Are they mice? Mice or mouse? When I say one, mouse. When I say two, they are mice. Okay? Mice. So we say, yeah, they are. Yes, they are. That's good. Next page. Here we go. Now, are they goats? No, they aren't. And sheep, okay? Are they sheep? Are they sheep? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Good. Next. Are they horses? No, they aren't. No, they aren't. They are not horses. They are donkeys. Okay. Are they, are they what? Are they mice? Yes. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Are they cows? No. No, they aren't. No, they aren't. Cool. No, they aren't. Are they chicken? What? Chicken? Yes. Are they chicken? Yes, they are. That's good. Now let's go here. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Ready? Now what it says here? Number one, are they sheep? No, they aren't. They are goats. Now here. Oh, okay. Are they donkeys? Are they donkeys this? No, they aren't. Okay, birds. Number one here. Are they birds? Are they birds? Yes, they are. Are they cows? What? No. No, they aren't. Are they goats? No, sheep, sheep. No, they aren't. Are they horses? Horses? Yes, they are. That's good. Next, let's see what we do here together. Now, clean and dirty. It's dirty. Yeah. 2, clean or noisy? Yes, it's clean, right? Look. Good. Number 3, big or small? Big or small? It's small. That's good. 4, big or dirty? Big or dirty? No, it's big. Look, the boy is coming up, but he couldn't. Big. Now, is it quiet? Quiet or noisy? La, 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 la. Which one? Quiet. It's quiet. Nice. 6, is it small or noisy? Small or noisy? I think it's noisy. That's good. Yes, they're noisy. Now let's go. Here, it's big cow. 2, it's small. It's clean. Oh, it's dirty. Here it's, oh, stop, be quiet. Here it's what? Noisy. Noisy. This one is quiet. Quiet. Okay, let's go next. Now let's do together. It's a small donkey. Number one, it's a dirty goat. Dirty. Is this one dirty? This is goat, and this is goat. But this one dirty. This one is clean. So dirty. They are noisy cow. Oh, so bingo. 3. They are quiet cows. 5. They are big donkeys. Big. Nice. It's a clean goat. I missed this, sorry. It's a clean goat. This one. We good. Now let's make it this together. Clean, clean, quiet, dirty, mice, fish, ducks. Big, small, noisy, frog, snake, bee. Okay, number 1. They are clean ducks. Nice. Number 2, fish. What they are? They are quiet. Quiet. Number 3, they are dirty mice. Dirty. Number 4, it's a what? A big snake. Number 5, it's noisy frog. Noisy frog. 6, it's a small beeps and going around. Good. Let's go next. Now I am me. I'm talking about this. Okay, let's see. Anna is at her new school. Who's she? It's Anna. She's a new student. Hello, Anna. Hello, I'm Bernard. Is a student. Anna is a small girl. Help, Anna. Lalo. Anna is a quiet girl. Look at her hands. They are clean. Wow, look. They are great animals, Anna. Are they sheep? No, they aren't. They are cows. Yes, they are big cows. I'm small and I'm quiet, but I am me. Yes, that's good. I like it. It's really good. Now, she's a new student. Look at her. They are what? Clean. Really good. Clean hands. Low and born are noisy students. For they are what? They are big cows. Big cows. Nice. Now read a match. Who's she? Who's she? It's Anna. She's a new student. Are they sheep? No, they not. They are cows. I'm small and I'm quiet, but I am me. That's good. I like it. Yeah, so we can make this up here. Now let's see. We're gonna go talk about some fruits. Do you like lemons? What we say for this one? Lemons and peaches, pineapples, watermelon, watermelon. Now, number 1, peaches, nice. 2, they are lemons. Lemons, not lemon. No, no lemon. Lemons, okay? Next, pineapples. Pineapples. And number 4, what do we say? Watermelons. 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 Now, let's see. My farm, 1st of October. My name is Juan. This is my farm. It's in Mexico. They are the animals on my farm. They are some goats, and they are noisy goats. They are hungry chicken. Yum, 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 yum. Look, number 2. Okay, I've got a big dog. Number 5. His name is Muffin. They are colorful fruit trees with lemons and peaches. It's number 1. We've got pineapples too. They are big. Number 6. Okay, this is a red and a green watermelon. Number 4. That's good. Let's go next part. Now in the next part, you're gonna do this. Underline the adjective. Adjective, like big, small, noisy, whatever that, okay? Look here. It's gonna be there. They are noisy, they are hungry, and big and colorful. Okay, they are nouns. Here, adjectives, and they are nouns. Okay, guys? Now let's go next part. Circle what you can see in a farm in your country. What is in your country? Circle, for example, this. Here, there are a donkey. There is a noisy donkey. There are goats and sheep. There are small sheep. There are lemons, trees, and there are yellow. So there are, you write whatever you want and you draw it here, okay? It's yours. Now let's continue. Cow, animals with tails. Now, cow and donkey with a tail, goat, horse, mouse, sheep. Nice. Animal with wings. What are they? Birds, chicken, duck. Nice. Now let's see pictures. Big and small. Now, big, E, dirty, noisy, short, new, hot. Okay, that's what we say. It's a pair. So, big, we say small. Dirty, we say what? Clean. Noisy, we say quiet. Short, we say long. New, we say old. Hot, we say cold. Okay? Nice. Now, are they watermelons? Next. Yes, they are. Okay. Are they birds? Yes, they are. Here, no, they aren't. Sorry. Are they mice? No, they aren't. Are they pineapples? No, they aren't. Are they sheep? Are they sheep? No, they aren't. Are they cows? Yes, they are. That's good. We were doing well. Now let's see. It's a goat clean. It's a clean goat. Hungry they are donkey. We say they are hungry donkeys. And dirty a horse. It's a dirty horse. Lemons small. They are small lemons. That's good. Now, are they goats? No, they aren't. They are sheep. Are they cows? Yes, they are. Are they birds? Three, 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 three. No, no, they aren't. They are mice. No. Number 3, not mice. Number 3, they are cows. There's a problem here? No. Number 1, are they goats? Yes. Number 2, they are? No. Are they cows? Number 2, no. It should be, we say, no. It's wrong. We say this is number 2. No, they are what? Goats. Okay, goats. Are they birds? No, they aren't. They are what? Cows. Okay, are they mice? Are they mice? Number 4. Yes, they are. This one is correct. They are wrong and this is wrong. Okay, be careful. Sometimes books make some mistakes. Okay, now we're done. Guys, level 1, we have finished this level. You are great. You are the best. Next time, we're going to go to level 2. You are doing well in English. I love you all. This is Mr. John. Dunya Dili is the best. Thank you. Bye-bye.